Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Mahmoud Rafi. I will be presenting module 4 assignment 2 which is ROV System Flow. Today I would like to talk about ROV System Flow. I will explain the flow in 6 sections: genset, control van, umbilical winch, A-frame, TMS and ROV. From genset, the power will be supplied to HPU, hydraulic power unit. Then from HPU, it will be distributed into motor, pump and filter. From genset, the power will also be supplied to changeover switch at control van. Changeover switch is to switch between two power supply. So from the changeover switch here, the power will be supplied to domestic transformer first. Then it will be distributed to power up light, PDU control rack inside the control van and aircon. Control rack consists of controller, monitor, etc. Then the power supplied from the changeover switch to PDU, which stands for power distribution unit, will follow to MCB and contractor. Then from the PDU, it will go to transformer and then to control van junction box before it goes out from the control van. From control van, the power will be passed through the umbilical winch static junction box. Then it will go to the slip ring. From slip ring, it will go to the rotary junction box. Then it will go to umbilical winch drum. We have a tugger. From umbilical winch, it will pass to level winder before going to A-frame. From control van, the power will be passed to ship well, then to snubber and block before going to TMS. The function of block at A-frame and bullet at TMS is to hold the cables together. Then from A-frame, the power will be passed to bullet and then to static junction box. Firstly, from static junction box, the power will go to transformer to power up the light. Also MCP, which have a relay switch that will power up camera and sensor. Also from static junction box, the power will pass to motor to power up the drum to turn the umbilical cable for ROV. From static junction box, the power will also go to the slip ring, followed by rotary junction box, then followed by tensioner, and then tethered feeder, and from tethered feeder to level winder, and from level winder to latch and unlatch. Latch and unlatch is to unlatch the ROV from TMS, and from here to the block, and then from the block before going to the bullet at ROV. From bullet, the power will be passed to ROV oily junction box. From junction box, it will be distributed to transformer and motor. Then transformer will power up the MCP and light. Then MCP will power up the camera and sensor, etc. Also, the power supply to motor from ROV junction box will power up the pump and filter to pump in hydraulic oil in the ROV system. I would like to finish my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention.